This is how to calculate equivalent nodal forces. Q naught is equivalent nodal forces. In analysis of beam using stiffness method, the stiffness equation is Q is equal to KD plus Q naught, where Q naught is actually come from Q1 naught plus Q2 naught. We use small letter to represent element, so Q1 naught and Q2 naught is equivalent element nodal forces. For Q1 naught and Q2 naught, we have to label degree of freedom same with what we label element stiffness matrix. Q1 naught is 6352, Q2 naught is 5241. We calculate equivalent element nodal forces from fixed end reaction. We get from appendix page 3. What we need to do is we have to sketch back the degree of freedom for element number 1, 6352, and then we have to draw the fixed end reaction for UDL, and we put all the formula. And after that, we have to compare. We have to compare between these two diagrams. So for the first value means for value number 6, so it is equal to WL squared over 2, and we do the same for the next value. The next value is 3. At position 3, it is equal to WL squared over 12. And the third position, at position 5 is WL squared over 2. You just need to compare. And for the last value, position number 2, it will be negative WL squared over 12 because the direction are opposite. And after that, we find the value, we calculate the value, and after that, we move to element number 2. We do the same. We draw element number 2, we put the degree of freedom, and then Q2 naught, actually, we label same like we label K2. It is 5241. And then we have to draw the fixed end reaction. We label and we calculate the vertical reaction as well as fixed end moment. And then we have to compare. We have to compare. For position 5, it is equal to P over 2. For position 2, it is PL over 8. And we continue until the last value. After that, we have to combine. Combine means we will produce Q naught for the structure, and it is Q1 naught plus Q2 naught. We plus based on the position. So, based on that, we will get equivalent nodal forces. And these equivalent nodal forces, we have to substitute into the stiffness equation Q equal to KD plus Q naught. Remember, Q naught is actually we calculate or we actually distribute whatever forces from member to nodes.